how to build a dictation workflow in Google Docs. It's pretty simple and quick to do if you follow the right steps, which I'll show you in this video. Now, once you are in Google Docs, make sure that you're prepared before you start to dictate. For example, make a structure of what you're going to dictate. Let's say you start with introduction, then you go to main argument, examples, and conclusion. You can also make subheadings that will also help you. Once you know this structure, it will make your dictation faster. The next thing is setting up your voice tapping feature. You can enable voice tapping in Google Docs by pressing Ctrl Shift and S like this. And make sure your mic is working right and you select the right language from here. And once you're done with that, the next thing that we will do is we will use chunk dictation. We will not dictate word by word. We will dictate sentence by sentence. And you're going to go and learn some common commands that will help you while dictating. For example, you can say period to add a full stop. You can say comma to add a comma. There are some other commands as well. You can go and Google them. You can say new line, new paragraph, and it will follow it. So these are some tips that will really help you while you dictate. And there is another way to fix your dictation. You dictate and you make mistakes and you fix them using some AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. You can go and make a good dictation workflow in this way in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.